Yes, people, I'm back again with another loyalty test video. Y'all must wondering how I'm dropping so much loyalty test video, because there are a lot of cheaters over here in this world, you understand? Because it come like say them have a next world. So over in this world have a lot of cheaters, guys. But first, subscribe before we get right into it. BF caught cheating on his girlfriend with a gay. Jesus, that hotter than one fire. Zine. But people, subscribe. Let's get right into it right now. You understand?
In today's video, we executed yet again another epic loyalty test. Tia feels like her boyfriend is lying to her about going to court.
You just told me you was leaving court.
The reason she feels this way is because he will come home at 2 in the morning. So we set up a plan to track him and see exactly what he's doing. If you're new to my channel, brace yourselves, because the content that you are going to see in this video might shock you. But without further ado, let's catch us a soulless cheater. Tia reached out to me through email submission to set up a loyalty test on her boyfriend who just got out of jail. 3 months ago, Tia's boyfriend was released from prison off of a 2-year sentence for possession of narcotics. Within those 2 years, she held him down by putting money on his books and being there for emotional support.
Nice to meet you, Tia. My name is Jay from Soulless Cheaters.
John, you know it hurt for no say yo girl I look out for your meal. And it not deliver good in her brain. Jesus, send back the mail to the post office, my friend. You see me, I say, send it back to jail.
So you can go ahead and explain to me, why do you feel like your boyfriend's cheating on you?
Okay, so basically, first my guy's been in and out of jail. He just did a 2-year bid. I've been holding him down, putting money on his books. I've been there for him from jump.
However, for the past 3 months since he's been released, Tia has peeped extremely weird signs from him. One day she got a call from him where he explained that he was back in jail because he tried to deposit a fake check. From what I read, ever since he went to jail, he has been dealing with having to go back and forth to court.
See, me did have to put this thing on silent mode, bro, because I want to see what's popping in
to handle that case. However, Tia noticed that whenever he comes home from court, he does not want to talk about what took place at court. She doesn't know the attorney, and to top it all off, he comes home from court at 2 in the morning. Sounds suspicious.
He's not being like 100 with me. Like I can feel like
Tia, he might be one with you. From him 2 o'clock in the night. One.
weird energy. Like he's not telling me about his court dates. He's not telling me about his attorney. And he's been coming home from court at 2 a.m. So I'm just kind of confused.
Hiring a private investigator would have cost Tia thousands of dollars, which is why she hired my team to help her set up a loyalty test to see what her boyfriend is exactly doing while he is supposed to be at court.
And I really want to investigate and stuff like that, but like it's been costing me a lot of money.
Wait, hold up. Speaking of money, if you guys want to make $100 to $250 a day from playing games, listen to the steps so I can show you how. First, what you're going to want to do is click the link in my description to my YouTube channel. Right here, you're going to see My Cash Quest. As you can see, you can make $10, $100, and $250 from completing challenges. Go.
You understand?
This one up different because we basically would need to stalk this guy in order to see if he's actually doing something sneaky, and we had to do all of this on top of trying to not get caught, because if our cover is blown, that's the end of the test, which made this plan extremely tricky. But I had the perfect plan in mind.
Wow. So you don't know anything about this case that he's telling you about?
Nothing. Wow. And also, like, I've really been like going through a lot of stuff, like emotionally. I'm pregnant.
Yeah,
and I don't know what to do.
Oh God, not cry, my friend.
I need your help.
Wait, listen. It's going. I promise you, it's going to be okay. I do these tests on a daily basis. We and my team, we are here for you. We're gonna make sure that we get to the bottom of this.
Thank you so much.
But just relax.
Thank you so much.
Relax. It's gonna be okay. I promise you. I go through these every single day. We're gonna find this out for you.
Okay.
Congrats on your baby.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
First thing I had to figure out was how we were gonna be able to track Dante's location no matter where he's at when he leaves on his way to court.
So how does he get to court?
Well, I have 2 cars, so he'll take my car, my other car, while I'm at work. He's going to court. So I can't really see what he's doing. I can't keep track of it or anything.
So we had to put a tracking device in the car, which my first thought was an AirTag, but I was scared to put an AirTag in the car because iPhone has something where they literally tell you that an AirTag is following you.
True.
So we didn't want our cover to be blown. But lucky for us, Dante doesn't have an iPhone. He has one of these. At this point, we made sure that Tia took off work today so she could go ahead and help us with this plan.
All right, you guys, it's actually 24 hours since we met up with Tia. We are actually on the way right now to execute the first phase of our plan. As you guys know, we are about to mic up the car and we're about to place cameras inside the car so we can see exactly what the boyfriend is doing on the way to supposedly going to court. I don't usually do my test this way, so this shit is actually 10 times more intense than it ever has been, bro. We got the mics right here. Camera equipment right here. Without further ado, guys, let's catch us a soulless f***ing cheater.
Brawly. People, before we reach into it, you understand, subscribe to my channel, please, and thank you. And follow One Code Music channel as well, okay? Subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok, okay? People, One Code is on Audio Mac. Yes, people. I know y'all waiting for me to say that all along, but you understand, I choose to tell you guys no. But a lot of guys know already. Tune in. Let's catch a soulless gold digger. You understand?
Vicky.
Oh, cheater.
Yeah.
Following the guide.
Fool. A fool, bro. Not even cheater. A madman.
We're going through this gate right now. Where are you at?
I'm right here by the double doors, all the way at the end.
Is this you right here?
Yeah, this is me in the black car.
Okay, cool.
Okay.
So 6 hours before Dante usually leaves to go to court, we had Tia help us with our plan by opening her car with her spare key.
And hold that.
Okay.
Mic yourself up. Basically, there's an AirTag right here. My plan was basically to mic your car up. We're gonna slip an AirTag in there. I got a whole bunch of more small microphones I'm gonna place all around the car, so we got audio. Plus I got a small camera I'm gonna put inside the car.
Oh, perfect.
That's cool?
That's perfect. I
Okay,
can't wait.
cool. Is this where you park your car at every day?
Yes, it is.
Perfect.
Yeah, that's where I park it every day.
We're AirTagging the car, you guys.
So then we could place the AirTag in the car, mic up the car, and we also placed a small
Yeah,
camera in the
mic
back
up the
seat so we
car.
could have eyes on everything that's going on inside the car. You guys can say this is weird all you want, but it's Tia's car, and she gave me permission.
All right, cool. So we're
Bro,
about done
do
here
your
right
thing,
now.
bro.
Finish
Go
micing it
forward,
up. What time do you think he's gonna leave?
Oh yeah, y'all have plenty of time. Like, he's not gonna be home for the next 2-3 hours.
Damn.
Yeah.
Oh shit. Okay, cool. So we're just gonna stake out right now. He doesn't.
Kid dog, I say, how long me have to go wait here?
We're recording. He doesn't know anything's going on. So plan is going good right now. Let's hope for the best. You can just wait in the car with us, and without further ado, let's catch us a soulless cheater.
I hate
Right.
setting up my test this way because waiting for somebody to come out their apartment can literally take hours.
So this right here is the control car. Here's your headphones. You can go ahead and put these on.
Oh, jeez.
This is the laptop. I have a live feed connected to this laptop, so you'll be able to see everything that's happening in the car. Also, you will be able to hear everything as well. You 100% ready?
Yeah, I'm
Ready.
Okay.
I'm ready.
I got a question.
Guys, you all ready? Ready? Okay. First, subscribe, okay? Thank you.
Now, if your boyfriend does end up cheating, what happens from here?
Oh no, I'm done with his ass. I'm done with him, and I don't want him a part of my kid's life at all.
And Tia even felt like it was taking too long.
You see it, bro, previously in my previous video, bro, with the male, bro. Just done with her, bro. You understand? She's gonna done with him. Or maybe her again, because this guy is cheating with a male. Bro, cheating on his girlfriend with a gay man. Bro, use another female, bro.
So she did us the favor.
You're not a fish. Use the octopus. Is it what I say? Use the octopus.
Went ahead and called.
Yeah, I know.
Y'all, it's just been taking too long, and I'm about to just give him a call. 1 second.
Come on. You good?
Tired, I'm asleep. Tired.
Yo,
Hey, baby.
what's up, man?
Hey, what you doing?
Shit, leave my bro. What's up?
Nah, that is crazy. Dante is under the impression that his girlfriend is at work. But as you can see from that phone call, he's already lying, telling his girlfriend that he's at court. So that right there in itself is a huge red flag.
Yeah, man, that pass, red flag, bro.
I'm just checking on you.
Alright. I'll be at the house in a minute. Something going on?
No, I just wanted to check on you.
Alright, I'll meet you back in a little minute, alright?
Alright. That's weird.
But as you can see from the phone call, he literally just lied about leaving the court. Because we've been waiting out for him, and he hasn't even walked out the house yet.
How is he at court?
I don't know. I'm really over this. Like, I don't know. I'm just ready.
It is a lie.
I don't reach it up
right now, obviously. I really don't know what to do at this point. Do you want to call off the test or do you want to continue it? What do you want to do? It's up to you.
Oh, I just want to get to the bottom of this. Like, I have to get to the bottom of this today.
Bottom already.
Like,
You're not
today.
John.
Like, today's the...
You know, John. You already try bottom. You know, John. We don't go bottom on this channel neither. People, subscribe right now, Zed.
I say, I have to get to the bottom of this.
If I hear something on the mic, I'll know.
We waited a little longer, and he finally came out. But to all of our surprise, he was actually wearing court clothes. So, there honestly is still hope for this test.
Oh, guys, that's him.
Different court.
See?
That's him. That's him.
There's no right now.
Wait, he has court clothes on.
Wait, nah. Because due to how late it is, there's no way this guy is actually going to court. Court's closed.
But I think court's closed.
Yeah, bro. Court closed, but court closed. Jano, people follow me on Instagram, Silk Codex. Okay, yes. Subscribe to this channel right here, One Code Music. All right, subscribe right now, guys. Trust me.
He just hopped in the car.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, guys. When he pulls off, I'm gonna pull off. Oh shit.
Yes, you have to get right behind him. Please get right behind him. Oh my god, I cannot believe this shit right now. Oh my god.
Is your heart racing?
Like
too?
my heart is like jumping out of my chest. Like.
So, guys, at this point, I think we all know that he is not really going to court. I'm gonna let him get a little space so we're not suspicious. Also, you guys, I do have an air tag tracking him right now live. So if he does get a little bit too far from us,
I don't know how to feel right now. I'm so overwhelmed. Like, I'm shaking. Like, my hands,
Court in a night.
my feet.
What kind of
it's
court?
kind of like, where is he going? That's the big mystery right now, is where is this going?
Oh my god.
Oh shit.
I lied and told him I was at work right now. So he has no clue that any of this is going on. So there's no telling what route he's taking right now. I'm scared. I'm just trying to keep everything good. Like, I don't want to lose my baby. I don't want to just...
Yeah, man, just hold the faith. Yes, I say. People, subscribe to the channel. Big up on yourself. And press the like button right here.
flip out, go to jail. Like, I really just want to get to the bottom of this, and this is just so overwhelming. Where is he going?
After following Dante, he finally arrived at a Quick Trip where he stopped to get gas.
What do you see on the live feed? What is he doing?
Right now he is just sitting in his car. It looks like he's just trying to go through his wallet. He's not really doing much.
At this point of the test was one of the first times on our investigation where we seen one of the hugest red flags.
All right, I mean, as of right now, I hear like a phone call.
Crazily enough, Dante just called his girlfriend asking for gas money.
The phone call ringing right now. It's calling somebody.
Oh, he's calling me. Hello?
Put on speaker.
Hey, baby.
Hey.
Hey, I'm on E. I need like $10, $15 to get to the house.
I just gave you gas money and I'm letting you use my car already.
I mean, make QT nut. I'm like, nah, I ain't gonna make it to the house. I need it, bro.
You just told me you was leaving court.
Bro. Young lady, just play it off. Just don't mess up the thing. As I said, do not mess it up. Don't mess it up.
I'm at the gas station.
Give me gas money.
Okay, all right.
So you want to catch, don't give him the gas
Calling
money.
asking for gas. I I don't know what's going on. It's the weird
Bro, you want to know what's going on?
But as soon as she told him no, he went and called a whole nother girl who told him no as well.
Whoa.
Hello?
What was this?
Hey, baby.
Hey, baby, what's up?
Hey, no, man, what you doing?
No, I'm just chilling. What's going on?
Not that girl.
Trying to get to the house. I'm really stranded right now. Trying to see if I can get about $10, $15 from you. And got down, you know, get to the house and shit.
$50 for what?
I need some gas real quick.
Bro, you always need some fucking money. Like, when do you have your own money? Like, no.
I don't do that.
Bro, no. I'm tired of paying shit, bro. No.
Come on, I just need to get to the house real quick. I got you. I'm sitting right back.
No, bro.
Alright.
Bro, at this point, the test is getting 10 times more intense because he just called a whole other girl that Tia does not know about.
You don't know that's his sister? You don't know who that is?
Oh, God. Cut up.
Oh, he's about to leave. He's about to leave.
Jesus.
I asked Tia if she wanted to go ahead and call off the test because
Tia cut up like grass on ground. Trust me, Tia.
right there is enough evidence to go ahead and confront him. But she wanted to know everything.
At this point, how do you feel about the test? I mean, do you want to continue it? Do you want to confront him right now? What do you want to do?
I want to keep watching to see what the hell he got going on, because there's no way he just called me and asked me for gas money and then called somebody else. And that voice doesn't sound like someone I know.
So we decided to continue to follow him to see if anything else pops off.
I mean, there. He's right there at the Burger King. You hear anything? I mean, you see anything?
I just see him going through his phone right now.
What's up, man? Shit, I'm chilling. You supposed to be over here. Where you at? I'm going to pull up on the Burger King to see what you want to eat. Shit. Okay? Go to the Burger King to see what you want to eat.
Bro, what is happening?
Let me get a number 3 and get large fries, and I want a Sprite. Right. Yeah. Are you coming with the food too? You know I'm coming with it. Why would I know? No, because you be playing, and I can't stand that. Like, I really want to be with you. And I can stand it. I can you say that. I done showed you everything. I done did everything. I mean, you showed me everything, but you still with that girl.
Damn. I think he gay.
You don't matter, like.
Hey, this guy is gay.
Wrong shit, like.
With a lot of S.
Matter, like, you bitches, like.
Oh my God.
He's This was not the turn that I was expecting.
Still with her, like.
I'm trying to show you, like. It ain't. Everything ain't what it seems. I'm telling you. It ain't what it seems, bro. I'm finna get this food for you. I'm finna come and show you, like, I'm really there for you. Yeah, I'm really there for you type shit. You finna see. You about to see. I'm finna pull up on you.
Alright.
Alright.
I can't wait to see you.
Bro, what is wrong with female, bro? Nothing wrong with female. Yo, John no star. People, subscribe. Just subscribe.
Alright, I'm on the way.
And buy some cookies too. Bye.
However, we live in Atlanta, Georgia, and this happens pretty often. I am
This
not
shit
surprised,
is
but I
gay,
genuinely feel for Tia. I can only imagine the pain
Bro,
and
you have
betrayal
2
she must
female,
feel
bro.
after finding out that
10 female charge and 20. That is wrong, same way. But don't turn gay, bro. No.
father to her newborn baby is secretly sleeping with a man.
How can you do this to me?
Mama,
I
she
spent
did
5 years
long
with
time.
this man. I fucking put money on his books. I fucking held him down.
No.
I'm gonna have a panic attack.
People, you see how love,
I'm
you see
gonna
what
go to
love
the
do?
hospital. Oh my God.
You see what love do right there? Eh?
How can I believe this?
Oh, God.
We wanted to jump out and expose him right there, but the situation was so dramatic, he ended up leaving before we even had the chance.
Do you want to end the test? Wait, he's leaving. He just left. He just left. He just left.
I don't know what to do. I'm having a panic attack right now. I'm having a panic attack. Like, I need water.
So he's gay.
He's gay.
This is what you should do. What you should do is take time to heal, and then, you feel me, find somebody that's better. You feel me? Now that you went through that, you know what not to look for with the next person. You know what I mean? Everything is a learning experience.
However, at this point, we had no other choice but to continue the investigation.
We do have the air tag still in the car, so we're just gonna follow the air tag to the location where he is at. But you guys stay tuned. We will update you guys when we arrive.
However, Dante did say that he was going to go meet up with this guy, and the air tag finally stopped. So we followed the GPS to the location to where exactly Dante was at.
You guys, we're currently 2 minutes away right now. He has officially stopped.
Okay, I'm trying to hold it together.
Going in right now. Oh shit.
Oh my God.
And it led us to a house where we believe that he is at. So without further ado, let's expose this lying, cheating, down low, soulless fucking cheater.
All right, this is the house right here.
Chapiala put more words on it, bro. Jano. Like male, to have a good girl like that, bro. Just be loyal, bro. Overall. Not even that, bro. Just, guys, subscribe. Subscribe.
Bro, this scene was literally so crazy to me. We literally walked up to this random house and we banged on the door. We meant business. We were trying to see now what Deontay is doing with this man. We needed answers.
Yo! Yo!
Okay, is my man in here?
Can I help you?
Yes, I'm Tia. You know exactly who I am. Is my man inside here?
The boyfriend tried to play confused, like he wasn't on the phone saying that he knew about the girlfriend.
I mean, you showed me everything, but you still with that girl. No, I don't know.
I know for a fact that's my car, and I know for a fact. Can you please let me in? Just let me in. Let me in.
Wait, can I explain what's going on? Can I explain real quick?
Hey,
My name is Jay. I'm from Soulless Cheaters. I'm on the Cheater Show. Basically, we've been stalking Deontay for the past 5 hours, and we're just finding out now that he is cheating on his partner with you, I think. And
boy, nah. Y'all see this bullshit?
okay, is Deontay in here? Because his car's parked outside. We followed the air tag to this location.
Deontay, come outside.
To the door at like 11:30. I don't know who shorty is. She knocking like niggas got bills and shit. Yo, Tay. Yo, sis, you here?
Can we come inside? Can we come in?
Sis,
Can we come in?
Don't worry about it. Tay.
However, we finally get in the house and we see Dante coming down the stairs. Bro, tell me why this guy didn't even say a word to Tia. He was so embarrassed that he walked down, got beat up a little bit by Tia, and ran out the house, hopped in the car, and drove away.
You got, nah, nigga, get out.
Deontay!
Are you serious right now? Are you really fucking serious right now? Are you serious? Are you serious? Really? Are you serious? This is what you've been doing at court? This is what you've been doing this whole time? Are you serious? This is what you've been doing this whole time? Serious? Are you serious?
Yeah,
Are you serious? Are you serious?
You understand? No violence, people. No violence.
Oh my God!
No, should I just leave it alone? No
I'm
violence.
saying.
No violence. No violence. You understand, people? It hurt, though. It hurt. John knows that. Oh God, Father God. Mommy, if you don't turn to God, turn to Him right now. You understand? Be with God all the whole life. Jesus Christ. We have to go so.
Hey, man, are you serious? Are you serious? Are you serious?
I don't even know why y'all came in here. Yo, get out, man.
I am so
Call the police because this is crazy. Where you at?
I have a feeling. Oh, no.
Deontay!
Come down here.
Deontay!
I'm pregnant. By the way.
Deontay!
I'm pregnant, by the way. I'm
Deontay!
pregnant.
Hey, Key, get this.
Hold on there.
Key!
Hold on there. It is like they in a house Like this female don't know what is going on as well. Trust me.
Get out.
I'm pregnant. I'm pregnant. I'm
Wait,
pregnant.
Deontay.
I'm pregnant.
Hold on.
Like a man.
Hold
Talk
on.
like a man.
Wait, stop.
Talk like a man.
We have trackers. We have trackers on the car. Deontay drove away, but we were still here with the guy that she had an affair with. So since we couldn't get answers out of Deontay, we had to get answers out of him. Can we go inside and talk to you real quick? Is it okay if we talk to you real quick? Come on.
I am losing my mind.
First of all, I don't really
Tia.
appreciate how you have shooting knock on the door like that.
Tia.
Come on,
Tell us something, Tia. Calm down. You hear everything in the car already. You lose your mind in the car already. You're going to lose your mind again, bro. Just calm down, bro. You already know what is up. You understand?
Oh my
Water
God.
sleeping in the
Oh my God.
He was coming in.
Y'all got
I think
15
Banging
minutes
on the
to
door.
figure out what y'all want to do, and y'all need to.
I just want to ask him a couple questions and then we can go, ma'am.
I'm going back to my room. 15 minutes because this is outrageous. My child, y'all waking her up. Y'all got to wake her on the door.
I want to know, like, when has this been happening? Like, how long this has been going on?
I mean, to be honest, we met in jail. So, we've been together for about 3 years. I met him when I was incarcerated.
This is unbelievable. I can't. Like, did you know that he has, like, a baby on the way? I'm pregnant. Like, I'm pregnant.
How many months?
I'm, like, 4 weeks.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Would you like to have a seat?
Sure.
This has to be one of the most emotional loyalty tests I have ever done.
Hey,
Not only was
boy.
Deontay cheating with this man, he was having unprotected sex with this guy. To guys out there who do this to women, bro, just be straight up with these girls, bro, if you're gay. This shit is genuinely sick.
So you said y'all met in jail?
sick.
Like, so, like, do
Mother-
y'all have, like, unprotected sex? Like,
It's off and on. Some days we do, some days we don't.
I've been there for him for so long. I held him down. Like, I can't.
I hate that you have to find out like this though, you know? To be honest with you, like, it was kind of
People, let me see the subscriber go up, bro, because these video is so emotional, bro. These loyalty test is so emotional, bro. Trust me. Luckily, I'm already an entertainer, bro. I have to just hold the feet right here into my heart. Guys, subscribe and follow me on Instagram. Silk Codex. You understand? Subscribe to this channel right here. One code. Music. Please. Please subscribe. Please.
because he would tell me like he wanted to like leave you and that he was done with you, and then to kind of see you kind of come at the door.
I've been putting money on his books. I've been holding him down. I've been asking him to be real with me. I've been asking him to confide in me and be that person. Like, I've been real with him. I've literally done everything he asked me to do for him. Like, I can't believe I'm so
You been giving him money?
Chop feel weird, bro.
drive my car to work. What am I supposed to do? I'm pregnant. Like, what am I supposed to do? I can't.
But guys, at this point, it wasn't over yet. We still had the AirTag location to the car where Deontay drove off. And if Tia wasn't gonna get answers, I was gonna get some answers. Plus, he had my mics and my cameras in his car. We had to go get our shit. As of right now, all I can really do is track his location on the AirTag. He's somewhere in the cut. He's ducked off somewhere. Is it cool if she stays in here right now? We just figure out, unless you want to go confront him, or?
No, I don't want to talk to him right now. I just need to
I just
cool
want to get my
down.
equipment out the car, to be real. I don't know if he has a gun, y'all, so let's just hopefully, well, he's parked right here. Just hoping he gives me my equipment and my camera and my
Bro, yeah,
mics,
bro,
and we
hey.
go. As I'm walking up to the car was completely abandoned, and Dante was nowhere to be found. However, we seen the evidence of the court close, and we were able to retrieve our mics and our cameras. Y'all, look. These are his court clothes he was supposed to be wearing. He abandoned the car, so thank God we can get our mics and stuff. I guess he ran away because he knew it's being tracked. Here's the air tag right here. Thank you guys so much for tuning into this episode of Catching Soulless Cheaters, man. Other than
people, not even gonna play no more. People, you reach the end of the video. Okay, subscribe right now. Thank you very much. So yeah, why you're crying? Huh? Stop crying, man. It happens all the time. You understand? Subscribe right now. You understand? And do not forget, if you're not a cheater, subscribe. Zine, yes, I know this video is emotional. Subscribe right now. Thank you very much. Alright? Love you guys. I'm out.